Hello guys, in today's tutorial I would like to show you how the way I design this text only using Canva application. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, open your Canva and then scroll the toolbars down here until you found the apps button, and then click it. And now you need to search the apps that's called Typecraft. Then click it. And then you open the apps, and now you can insert the text that you want to design. For example, I would like to type good, and then scroll down, and after that you can use the mirror points, the horizontal mirror points, to make it easy design. Then click this side, and then down here, and scroll up. Now you can change the color of the text. For example, I would like to make it a little bit maroon, so I think this one. And after that, scroll down and then click the add the element to the design and wait for a moment. And now it's done. And that's the way how you to make the text design using Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.